Today we ate inside of a trolley at the Spaghetti Warehouse. Today we're at the Spaghetti Warehouse in downtown Dayton, Ohio. We are going to eat spaghetti. That is our specialty. Building, going old buildings. Here's the bar. This is the bar area at the Spaghetti Warehouse. Look at all these old vintage, actual old vintage chairs, booths. Here, little lamps, Tiffany lamps. We got the bed railings, old bed railings. Got that all through there. Pretty cool. It's pretty neat. This is something different. You got carpet, the old style carpet need to be replaced. Yeah. Little bed rails. I've never seen nothing like that before. Wow, look at that. Here's the dining room. It's got some people in here. I don't want to bother them. This is Wright Brothers. The old Saturday Evening Post covers. Pretty neat. Let's see if I can zoom that out. Some people in here, I don't want to bother them while they eat his old statue. Today we're at the Spaghetti Warehouse restaurant in Dayton, downtown Dayton, Ohio. Here's the menu. We're eating in the trolley. Here's that trolley we ate in. It's an actual real trolley we ate in there. That is cool, too cool. Kitchen. Yeah. Thought this was real neat. Just more seating. Yeah. Hey. This is a full restaurant out there. Look at this vintage real trolley. Pretty cool looking. We just ate. It was very delicious. I had spaghetti and meatballs. That's what their specialty is. Spaghetti Warehouse. Your tables. Awesome. Very good. The back view. That was delicious. We'll come back. Definitely come back. In Dayton, Ohio is where we're at. So yeah, here's the Spaghetti Warehouse downtown. Pretty awesome.